All right, I have a trade recap. A lot happened in the markets today, but I'm just gonna go over the trade that I took. I'll go over a little bit of what happened in the market, but yeah, I'll go over what happened in the market, and then I'll go over the trade that I took, the trades that I could have taken but didn't. I tried filming this video a while ago, but it just did not want to upload. So I'm filming it now. It's late. I'm tired. It's 9:30. So okay. So pre-market we had an hourly sweep and then hourly SMT. NQ took out the highs. Yes, did not at the time. NQ sells off, breaks 15-minute structure to the downside. At this time, ES was kind of in its own world. I was disregarding it. I didn't want to look at ES. It wasn't doing much. Broke 15-minute structure past this hourly low. And from there, I wanted to see, we had a 5-minute imbalance right here. If you go to the 5-minute time frame, we had a, what was it? 5-minute imbalance here. We respected it nicely. And in line, there was a 1-minute imbalance that was in line with that too. And we got a nice displacement candle. But the reason I didn't take it off of this candle out of this 1-minute imbalance is because we were just sweeping hourly liquidity and we got bullish structure coming back above the liquidity sweep, and the hourly was respecting it. The 15-minute disrespected it, but the hourly was respecting it at the time, and the hourly does hold higher power. And I wanted to literally just wanted to see this 1 minute get inversed. That would have told me that we're going to move down to London session lows, which obviously happened. And then the reason I didn't take the trade is because obviously we inversed it down here, stops it out to be up here, and take profit here. Couldn't have taken that trade. Doesn't matter. NQ then took out London lows and Asia lows. We put in another bullish SMT here because ES, this was the SMT. It was something like this. Okay, that was bullish SMT. So I was on ES. I was looking for maybe a long entry, and what I saw is we have this unmitigated 1-minute imbalance that price failed to tap into before, and then we finally at 10:52 tap into it, and it was in line with this sell side liquidity sweep and the equilibrium of this range, and then we got a good displacement candle out. Would have entered here and would have hit my stops here and would have taken profit here. Reason I didn't take it is because it was getting really late into market open. Don't like to trade at 11 a.m. And also, this is chop work. I mean, we were indecisive. We didn't know exactly where we wanted to go. So it wasn't clear structure to me. I didn't take it. I wasn't confident in it. I mean, it speaks for itself. Like, this is chop work. Like, this is indecisive price action. Volatility was dead and drawn liquidity was weaker. And like, when volume is a lot lower, the drawn liquidity is less likely, and I don't want to take trades in that. So I did not take this trade. It would have banked, but I did not take it. Hop back on the charts at around 12:40, and I saw 12:30, and I saw that we were getting exactly what I back tested. I consider it a continuation model where price is getting extremely close to a significant drawn liquidity. So in this case, it was previous day highs. We were like here, and we were getting really close to it. When price gets really close to a drawn liquidity, especially previous session highs and lows, that drawn liquidity now becomes 10 times higher probabilities because order flow has been, let's say in this case, very bullish just to get to the objective, which is to take out the previous highs, and that's the objective. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna catch the final move here to the objective, the continuation model. And what I do is go to the 1 minute, super simple shit here. We tap into this 1 minute imbalance right here. This on TradingView doesn't show it, but on Top Step X, this candle actually tapped into this imbalance, so I took it off that. I wanted to wait for one candle rebalancing just to get a better entry, which was right here. Stop loss was just right below this candle's body. Take profit at, of course, the previous day highs. And it played out well. I don't usually take trades like this, especially at 12:30. The reason I did is because I've actually back tested this exact model, I guess, if you want to call it that. It's just literally just, I just call it continuation model, but it's literally just order flow, bro. I would take this any time of the day because it's like such a high likelihood, bro. Like the win rate on this exact thing is so likely. So like, yeah, I will take that no matter what time it is. I mean, maybe if it's like fucking like, I don't know, bro. Like it has to be some dumbass time. Like maybe this I won't take, but like this is like fine. Like this is a very clear drawn liquidity, and it was something I was confident in because I've actually backtested this and it works any time of the day. That's why I was confident in this, because when the draw on liquidity is that clear and we're getting the whole point, guys, it really, I only need the only conviction I need here is logic. Like when we're getting so close to a draw on liquidity, we're going to take it out unless like the other index takes it out before. Like we're going to take it out. So literally all I need is to find 1 minute confluences to take that trade, and then boom, I'll take it, because it needs to be close. Like it needs to be like somewhere like this, like very close to it, so it gives higher conviction. But yeah, that was a trade, a little scalp, de-risked a little bit because it's not something I usually do, but I still will probably not de-risk as much as I did in the future if I do take trades like this. I think I was risking like $100. I made like 170, so it was a solid trade. Yeah, that's it. I've been on a pretty nice little win streak here, but yeah, I'll definitely be trading tomorrow. Thursday is gonna be difficult because of school and shit, but that was the whole trade recap. Hope you guys enjoyed. I gotta go eat and I gotta go to bed. So yeah, that's the recap. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys next.